How to use your new lip gloss making kit by DIY Kit Creations. First, add about 1 tablespoon of the gel base into the mixing bowl. Using the provided scoops, add your choice of mica powders. We recommend between 2 to 6 total rounded scoops of color, depending on how subtle or rich you want your shade to be. If your kit includes glitter, you can also add it at this time. Next, mix with the provided spatula. To cut the stickiness and improve texture, add about 10 to 20 drops of the fractionated coconut oil. The gloss may look clumpy at first, but just keep mixing. It will eventually incorporate and blend together nicely. Using one of the syringes, draw on your lip gloss until the syringe is mostly filled. Carefully insert the syringe into an empty lip gloss tube until it reaches the bottom. Gently dispense the gloss while slowly removing the syringe as the tube begins to fill. Repeat this step 2 to 3 more times, or until the lip gloss is about 1/4 of an inch from the silver ring. Insert the little plastic stopper into the top of the filled lip gloss tube. Then, screw in the cap and wand. Now you're ready to show off your new custom shade with your family and friends.